Good morning, guys. Getting ready to start the day here. I'm on my mess.
Ooh, 40-something degrees.
Guys, last night it went down to 40 last night, but it felt like 30. Like, it was just so cold last night. And I cheaped out, and I was looking at space heaters. I could just plug it into the generator. But, I don't know, I just didn't buy one last night. Because I'm like, it's only going to be for like 2-3 days. So, like, what's the point? And I got carried around. But now I'm like, shoot, I should have bought it because I have storage. I could have just put it in storage for now. They're pretty small. They're only like, I don't know. I can't really do it, but they're small. They're only like a foot tall and pretty thin, so.
We would be waking up comfortably, not freezing.
Yeah, like, I didn't want to get out of bed. Poor Cody bundled himself up. He jams himself in between Sam and I, so he's nice and toasty. He's got two people's body heat along with his own. Anyway, today, but I'm glad I didn't mount this up yet. My 400 watt Everstart inverter took a crap today, so I checked both of the replaceable fuses. Neither of them are blown. The fan was making like a really weird noise when I plug my MacBook in. I think that's when it starts pulling like a good amount of power, so it runs the fan. And the fan was like, it sounded like it was either rubbing up against something or grinding on something. So, and then it just died. So I don't know. So you gotta get a new one of those today. That way I could charge my MacBook. I didn't even get to charge this new battery up all the way yet. So I definitely want to do that to see how it is. So I like Harbor Freight. They have a lot of inverters that are supposed to be pretty good. So I'm gonna go check them out. After this job that I have in Merritt Island, so it's pretty convenient. There's a Harbor Freight right over there. I'm gonna go get a coffee. We gotta warm up, guys. It is really cold outside.
And it's gonna be cold while we do the job.
Yeah. It's but I'm starting at 9, and even by 10, it's only gonna be 49. Some Florida weather. All right, let's get the day started because we got a lot going on today. All right, guys. So just got out of Harbor Freight over here in Merritt Island, and ended up grabbing a Jupiter 400 watt inverter. This is at 800 peak watts. So it'll start something. If it requires more starting watts, it'll run up to 800 watts, but it has 400 continuous. And this one has 2 USBs and 2 120 volt outlets. And it's pretty nice. It's pretty clean looking, pretty like sturdy looking. It has excellent reviews on their website. A lot of people use them. So they make this one. They make a little 120 watt version,
That's a little.
and an 800 watt version. So, or a 750 watt version, I believe. So if you guys need something, these are pretty sweet. So I'm gonna
use that 20% off though.
Yeah, unfortunately. Okay. Well, you guys just caught my curtain coming down here.
Cody's playing with it.
God, I gotta get something mounting brackets to keep that up. But yeah. So these are really good. So if you guys are interested, I'll put a link down below to Harbor Freight's website so you guys can take a look. Alright, don't mind the mess, guys. This is just the way it is.
Always.
So, I don't know. I got my other inverter working again. It started charging my laptop again, but, I don't know. It's making some weird grinding noise and stuff when it first starts, and I just don't want to be, like, on the road somewhere and this inverter starts crapping out. So I just bought this one instead, and I'll probably chuck that one. It's your fault. Yeah, you knocked the thing down, but it's my fault that I didn't mount it right. Alright guys, I'm going to get on to this job and then I'll catch up with you guys after. Alright guys, well I got the inverter all plugged in for now. For now it's just going to go to my DC outlet on the floor. Eventually I would like to wire it right to my battery, and that is the only way you will get the full output of these inverters. Because when you plug it into the DC outlet, you're only getting about maybe 120 watts rather than the full 400 if you were to wire it straight to the battery. So, got my MacBook charger that's plugged in, and the GoPro thing. I'm just testing everything out, seeing what it's pulling. Right now we're at 13.5 volts. So, and it's super quiet. There's no fan or anything. If there is, I can't hear it. It's super quiet. It's way quieter than that other one. So if you guys are interested, really check those out. They're really slick. I'm going to eventually mount it to the side over here. That way I have quick and easy access to everything. I can just plug it in and unplug it, whatever I got to do. And it'll come off really easy too. So. Guys, we found a state, what is this called, Tim? A state forest campground? It's a state campground or something like that. And I'll give you guys more info once I find out. But we're going there for 2 nights. We just booked it. It's really cheap, $9 a night. So we're going to book it for 2 nights. So we're going to go tonight and tomorrow night. So I just got to bang out this roof real quick, and then we're going to get over there.
$26.70.
All right. So $26 for 2 nights. No hookups, no electric or anything, but I got
There's
this.
one porta potty.
Yeah, but I mean, we have our little porta potty, and I have the generator and everything for power, so all will be good, and we'll just hang out for a little while, guys. We'll just finally get to relax and let Cody run around and stuff. and see what we can get into. Alright guys, just got done with that guy's roof. We have a couple of things to do before we go to this campground. Sam's oven stove thing came today. She's super excited about it. And so we're going to the post office right now to pick that up. I told her she has to carry it out. I think probably weighs a ton. So she wanted it, so she's going to carry it. So I got to grab that, and then we're going to go to Pilot. I'm going to fork up the couple bucks. We're going to hop in a shower because I want to get this paint off me and stuff. I want to have like a fresh start for when we go to, you know, to this campground. I don't want to walk in there like a paintzilla, I don't know, whatever. So we're gonna get freshened up there, and then we're gonna grab some food, and that way we can bring it to the campground and, you know, have food to make there.
Now, like, we can make pizza and stuff, so I'll probably get us some frozen pizza.
Yeah,
something quick for tonight.
Yeah, I don't know. See, the problem is I got rid of that big red cooler because I didn't know we were gonna do this. So we're probably gonna buy like one of those, just temporarily, just one of those. Like they're like $2.50. You buy styrofoam coolers from Dollar General. They're literally good for like one outing, and that's it. So we're gonna get that and throw some ice in there, and hopefully it stays. And you know, just see what we can keep good before it goes bad. But we need some food while we're there. Check out that Disney boat, guys, in the back. I'm trying to get a good view for you guys. Hang on here. All these stores are always in the way. That boat is massive. One day I'll get a better view for you guys. I can go down to the port. Just picked up Sam's oven thing. It's not as big as I thought it was, so I'm sure we'll find room for it somewhere. But we're gonna go shower up.
I felt so bad. There was a lady crying in there. I was gonna go over to her and ask her like if she was all right. Like she was standing behind us. So I was gonna ask her if she was okay. Like I was gonna walk over there, that way she wasn't like embarrassed near the clerks. But someone, like another clerk, came up and like helped her and said that her neighbors passed away.
I didn't know if it was COVID related because she was like, I didn't know. So I couldn't tell if she was crying or if she just like was having a hard time breathing. But like I didn't, you know, this little COVID thing. You know, like I'm a little apprehensive to go near anybody. So you know, I don't know. Yeah, she was not in good shape, unfortunately. But, all right, let me go shower, guys, and then we're gonna get on the road to this campground. I am pumped to do nothing. Guys, I want to welcome you to Matanzas State Park. This is the Cedar Creek campground over here.
In St. Augustine, Florida.
Yeah, right. We are maybe 3 miles off of I-95 right now. This is such a nice, peaceful place. I have, there's one person over here, and I think that's it. You know, somebody might come in later. Check-in is at 3 o'clock. It's like 3:10 right now, so you know, I'm sure people will come in later on. But check this place out, guys.
This is our whole spot. All this.
Somebody was nice enough to leave us a little starter pile for wood. And you got your fire pit over here, which isn't looking too good. It's a little jackety, but I'll fix that up and everything. Somebody left a chair here. I don't know. I'm not going to touch it. It's a rusty thing, and I am not looking to get tetanus. But they give you a nice picnic area so we could set up our grill out here and do some cooking. This place is beautiful. What do you think? Cody, what do you think? Do you like it here? Yeah. Yeah.
They drive like into here. Like they don't tell you till like a while later, like where the camping is. So just know that you're going the right way when you come here. Going straight.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a link just in case you guys are ever in this area or you're looking to come down to Florida and you want to do some cheap camping. Again, the camping here is only like $9 to $10 a night. Unfortunately, there's no hookups or anything. But if you have solar or a generator, you know. It's really peaceful, and there's plenty of sun in our area to, well, not right now. Right now it's shaded. But there's plenty of openness where the sun would eventually come over this, and you guys can charge your solar panels. This dog likes to be on top of me. I know, you're so excited. He's tired of being in the van all day. All right, guys, we're going to get situated. I'm going to pull some stuff out, and
So we chose L1. When when you go on their website, you can choose which site you want, and it'll let you know which one's reserved, which one's available, what days. So next time we come here, I think I'm gonna get site 2. Look how pretty that site is. This one's gonna be reserved. This one's, I think, is reserved already.
Yeah, this one's really nice.
What I like about ours is like we're like separated. So if you get number 2, you're kind of like close to number 3, and there's more over there too. We'll probably walk over there later.
But here's where we are, guys. This is where we're gonna be for the next 2 nights. Now, I have a job tomorrow that I gotta do with a roof, but they are in St. Augustine, which is why we came up this way.
Only 30 minutes away from us.
Yeah, so we're just gonna hang out here for the night. We'll make some food. We brought food. We got the
stove oven thing I'm excited
yeah,
about.
and we got the tablet. I mean, this is so nice, guys. I love stuff like this. So let's you ready? Do you wanna hang out? You wanna play? Yeah, okay. Alright, let me get stuff situated. So we have maybe like an hour before the sun sets below these trees over here. I know you guys probably can't see, the sun's probably glaring at the screen. But I set up one of our little 120 watt portable solar panels. And let's see what the thing is. Is it charging it? I can turn this on. Can you guys see? It's charging it. All from the power of the sun, guys. That's awesome. So we'll leave that there. Let that charge up. That way tonight we have something to watch. I don't know if we have service here. Sam, do we have service here? Can we get a service check?
Huh?
Can we get a service check?
Don't even bother trying your phone.
Yeah, Sam's phone usually has service way before mine does.
1 bar?
1 bar of service, guys. So we'll see if we can stream some either Prime or YouTube or something tonight. What happened? It's so quiet out here, guys. Like, it's weird. So like if you hear like you hear something moving, like you're like, oh.
Well, you gotta be careful too. You're in the woods.
Yeah, it's pretty chilly out here, so we're gonna get a fire going pretty early. We just fed Cody. He has his little Caesar's food, and he loves these.
Eater, so if you guys
Oh my God! If you guys haven't tried these with your dogs, he loves these pepperonis.
need something to keep the store.
And this is his favorite wet food. So
Yeah,
if you guys have dogs that are like really picky, maybe try that. All right, guys. So this is what we ordered. This is what Sam ordered. We got it on sale,
like
$200. Yeah, I don't know what happened here. It looks like, I don't know. You know how they beat things up. So hopefully everything is all right inside. I didn't check yet. But it's an oven and a stovetop. All right, guys. Well, so far so good. It looks like we don't have any prompt. It's dented. Oh, it's dented.
I'm gonna tell them I don't want to bring it back if they could just give me a little bit of it off, some money off.
Yeah, Amazon is really good about this kind of stuff, so they'll probably comp you for it. That kind of sucks.
Because I really don't want to send this back. I waited for it.
This thing would be a nightmare to send back.
And I got such a good price on it. I don't want to lose it on the price that I paid. Tape on that side.
Mm. See. Okay. Alright, so there's the regulator. That's not bent, is it?
I don't think so.
No, it looks okay. So here it is, guys. You got 3 different racks.
And then look.
Temperature gauge.
And then when you open this, it's, it's my stove. These open to protect you from the wind, but look how nice and fat they are. I am so happy that I got this. It's the little things that excite me, guys.
Yeah, now I gotta find room in the damn van for this thing.
Once we get the thing to get the ladder out, we'll have room for it.
When are you ordering that? Alright, let me get this set up before the sun goes down, guys. Alright, guys, so we're gonna take our little propane regulator here. It screws right into the back or into this section. Probably gonna be kind of hard to do with one hand. Actually, it's not. And then you can also buy the kit where you can hook up a like 20-pound or larger propane cylinder as well.
But we're not going to do that because we're in a van.
Yeah, so we just run off these 1-pound propane cylinders like Sam has here.
Ooh.
All right, guys, we hooked it in there. It's pretty solid
Is it
too.
just
It's
an
not
electric
loose or
stove?
anything. So we're gonna go around now and we'll light the pilot light. I almost lost the pepperoni over here. I don't know. It's just ready to go. And I don't know what happened to the pizza. Why does it look like that? Oh, there goes the pepperoni.
Trying to save it.
No! Ah, there it goes. Oh my god.
No, I got it.
Alright, we'll see. Oh, you're about to lose it. No, you had to save it. That's cheating.
Oh, I need a bigger. Nice and crispy. I like that.
Well, I have to say, it is pretty good. It's very hot. What do you think?
I like it. And I like my stove. Oh, so I contacted Amazon because, I don't want to get rid of it. I really like it. But, with the den and the box. So, USPS didn't mark it as picked up. So she said delivered. So once it's marked delivered, I'll be able to get 10% off. So, woo!
For those of you who are curious, 10% is $20.
I could buy more stuff off Amazon.
That's true. I was looking to get the bag for this thing so I keep it safe. $50-something for a
Yeah.
bag. I'm like, damn. Let's bubble wrap it.
It's nice though, the bag, because it comes like the handles and it covers like everything
Yeah.
on here.
Yeah, it's like, yeah, it's like a case, more or less. Good morning, guys. Another start to a cold day, as I'm sure you can see the steam coming off my breath here. Got the van warming up. It's really cold. It's like another 45-degree morning. But when you're in the van under the blanket and you have like 2 humans and a dog's body heat, it's pretty comfortable. But if you get up in the morning to use the bathroom or whatever, the floor is so cold and just everything in the van is so cold. Really peaceful night's sleep here, guys. It was, we're used to boondocking in a parking lot or a side road or whatever. So here last night it was pitch black. So if you didn't have a light, you're in trouble. Every time I go to Harbor Freight, I get those little blue lights, and they're free with any purchase. And Sam's always yelling at me, "Oh, why do you need them? You don't need them." Typical woman. So I get them anyway, of course. And they came in handy last night because it was pitch black. So they're magnetic, so I put them all along the side of the van, and they lit up their LEDs. They lit up the entire campsite. And it really helped out. It was creepy out here last night. You don't know if there's wildlife walking around. You're in a ginormous forest. So it was good to have. Anyway, I got a roof to do this morning, so we're going to pack this up. I got to stop at Home Depot to grab some stuff, and I want to get some breakfast. I'm hungry. We didn't bring breakfast with us because we don't have the cooler. We were supposed to stay here one more night, but I don't think we're gonna. This guy gave me a pretty good offer. He needs me to do 2 roofs in another part of Florida, in a different town, so it's pretty tempting. The night was only $10, so I'm out $10. It's not the biggest deal in the world. But this guy's roofs are paying really well, so I'm gonna go over there and do them. But I just wanted to put an ending on this vlog. I hope you guys are all doing really great. This is a really nice park, guys. If you want, check it out. We were at site number 1, but this is the park. It doesn't even say. Okay, so this is the website you can go to make a reservation. This is the Matanzas State Park. I don't know. I'll put the name up. It's weird, but that way you guys can go and check it out. It's really peaceful here. If you guys are looking to just get away from the hustle and bustle, this is definitely the place to do it. All right. Anyway, guys, I'll see you guys in the next vlog.